The Complete TOEFL Speaking and Writing Roadmap 2026 Free Courses, Clear Structure, Real Progress. And this is Michael Buckoff from BetterTOEFLScores.com. I've been teaching TOEFL preparation for over 30 years, and this roadmap brings everything together. The real TOEFL problem. Most students practice randomly, watch disconnected videos, plateau below their target score. Hard work without direction doesn't raise scores. The missing piece, direction. The problem is not motivation. The real problem is no clear plan. This has been true for decades. Why you can trust this roadmap. I have 30 years of TOEFL teaching. I have in-class and online experience. I've seen every version of the TOEFL exam. I've coached thousands of students. Patterns repeat even when the test changes. My core teaching philosophy. TOEFL does not test tricks. TOEFL tests skills. If you train the right skills, scores follow. Reverse engineering the TOEFL. I started with ETS scoring criteria, task requirements, real student errors. I built lessons from the score backward. What I built on YouTube. For each task, I created skill building lessons, strategy training, PDF practice exercises. Not random practice, purposeful practice. The question students always ask, where do I start? What should I skip? Why am I not improving? Good questions without good answers. Why the roadmap exists. This PDF connects everything, shows what matters most, saves months of guessing. This is the map. How to use a roadmap. Use it like a GPS, not a checklist. Identify your weak task, follow the path. Ignore the rest. Focus beats coverage. Speaking and writing covered. Speaking, listen and repeat, take an interview. Writing, build a sentence, write an email, academic discussion. Each task tests different skills. Why feedback changes everything. Practice builds familiarity. Feedback builds scores. Who this roadmap is for. This is for serious TOEFL students, teachers guiding students, not for shortcuts, guessing. This PDF builds trust. Final call to action. You don't need more advice. You need a clear path. Download the free roadmap. This roadmap is free and is right below the video in the description and pinned comment. If it helps you, share it with someone else preparing for TOEFL. And thank you for watching this video.